Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with another video featuring items from the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. So previous video I told you that I'll just be making cards or whatever I make using the items from the Crafty Advent Calendar. No specific date or number that I'll choose, just one that calls to me at that time, and I'll share that design with you. So today I am using day number 2, I believe. Let me get it here. Yeah, day number 2, which was the super sweet little Hello Friend stamp set. And I thought this was so pretty. I thought the hello was just so petite looking and fun. So I wanted to use that. And in addition to using this on my card, I also used day number 17, which was the tag set. And it's like 4 of them in here with the cuts to make it look like a, not a tag, a ticket. I'm sorry, I said tag, a ticket. So I used those. And also I want to share with you something else that I use. So Jennifer McGuire, if you watch her channel, you know she referenced a lot of things that she likes to use. And one of the things that she has talked about, I've seen a couple of times her mention, was this distressed black heavy stock, card stock, heavy stock. And she always, you know, commented at how nice it was and how black it was. And she showed it on her channel, but, you know, you really can't, you know, tell on the video. So I purchased some just to see, you know, you can always use black. And this cardstock is awesome. It is so pretty for black. You know, it looks like velvet almost. It has a different type of texture to it, but it works just like any other cardstock. So I used that in the video for the card. And I also did some coloring. I don't have my coloring pens here. I use the Altenew pens, and I don't color a lot, so be nice, guys. This was really hard for me, and but I wanted to use it on this card. So here's my attempt at coloring. No shading, none of that fancy stuff that I see other crafters do. And what I did was I die cut the ticket out maybe twice, nope, 3 times, and stacked it on here. And I just wanted this black paper to kind of be showcased. And like I said, you just really cannot see how nice this paper is unless you see it in person. So I would challenge you with getting some just to see what you think. It's, you know, it's not cheap, but it's not overly expensive. So I made this little card that I wanted to share with you all. Hopefully you like it. And like I said, my coloring is very limited. I did like 3 of them, and this was the best one. And I thought it was sweet, so I just went for it. So let me know what you think below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have been subscribed for a while, I really do appreciate all your comments and your likes and just watching my video. You don't even have to comment or like, you know, just knowing that you watched is great. And hopefully you like the card, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.